somebody with now. No time to be here now. It's time to get brave now. Wine to the bass sound. 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 Wine to the 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 bass sound.
What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Angel Voice back again with another awesome, amazing, exciting video. I know you guys can see that something is different. Your girl is glowing. Let me stop. But I'm glowing because your girl got in a new ring light. We got rid of that old bougie one. I'll show you guys in a minute. It's my first ring light, so I'm gonna respect it because it worked and it did its thing until it was time to give it up. But your girl got a new ring light. Period. The best one there is. Well, I hope it's close to the best one there is. But anyway, without further ado, that is not what we are here for. We are here. This is an unbagging, because there was no box, and there is still no box. So it's an unbagging of Amazon bundles, hair. You feel me? So yeah, please, if you haven't already, if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Subscribe. Like, it's awesome over here. I'm sorry about my nail. I will not show you guys that again because that is so wretched. Never mind, came off. Anyway, thank you guys for coming to my channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell, like, and all that good stuff. And don't forget to follow my Instagram and my Snapchat for updates on not only my YouTube, but if you watched my previous video, I did tell you guys that I was starting a business. So for updates on that, whenever I post updates, because I haven't posted updates about it in a while, because honestly a lot of changes has happened, and so like it's a lot and I don't know how much I wanted to share with everybody, so I kind of kept everything to myself. But anyway, let me start rambling on. Let's get into this video. So first I want to say the only reason why this does not have a bag and it's like this is because I got ahead of myself and I was excited and I wanted to open it and see how it works. It's my first time buying bundles off of, you know, Amazon. I was kind of iffy and skittish about it. But let me put this back in here so I can show you guys how it actually looks when you take. Well, this is how it looks now because I already opened it. That's how it looks. And in here, when we open it first, we get a card. Sorry about my nails again. Did I have that upside down? Yeah, I did. So we get a card. And it says, congratulations. You should have received the hairs when you see this letter. Are you satisfied with the hair? If so, here you have a chance to get 4 bundles, 8-inch Brazilian body waves for free. 1 customer, 1 chance. Please do take pictures of the hair you get. Leave us a 5-star positive review on Amazon with their hair pictures. Then you can contact us by email or WhatsApp. We will ship the 4 bundles soon after confirming this information. Thanks again, Chin Me Hair. And y'all know I like free stuff. I know I said it before. I love free stuff. So of course, I had to indulge. They didn't answer me back yet, granted, but they will, because I will email them and text them again. Anyway, you don't pass up on opportunities. That's stupid. And then on the back of here, it says hair care instructions. And I'm so sorry about my nails. My nails are ridiculous. It says co-wash your hairs gently. Use one, I don't feel like reading all that. Y'all get the point. Okay, I'm gonna put that back in the bag. And then also you get a wig cap. Well, it's 2 wig caps. That's why the dude is holding up the peace sign and the 2, yeah. 2 wig caps. My nails are ridiculous, I know. Anyway, yeah. You get 2 wig caps. Get the card and some wig caps. We're gonna put that to the side. And then I got a 14-inch, a 10-inch, and a 12-inch. We're gonna open up the 14-inch. Because I already opened it already, so we're just gonna open it again. And we are going to pull it out. Honestly, ooh, this is brown. It's not, wait, it's really soft. Like, it's extremely soft. I wish you could like see how soft it is, but you can't see how soft something is. But yeah, it's extremely soft. It's nice, and that's how much comes in it. I mean, most people that know that buy bundles and buy hair, that, you know, the bigger the size, the longer the length, the smaller the bundle is. So yeah, I'm gonna keep that out because I want to like compare how big the bundle is to the small, to, you know, the 10-inch. But we're gonna open the 12-inch. I did not open yet. I just opened the 14-inch and the 10-inch already, but I never opened the 12-inch. Okay, put this to the side as well. And this is the 12-inch. It's nice, and that's how much bundles. I'm gonna compare it with the 4. It's not that much of a difference, but you can see the difference. This one is bigger. You see? But it's extremely soft, so I like it. And I thought it was black, but it's kind of brownish, so that's perfect because I didn't want black. I don't just do black, you know. And now here for the 10-inch, the 10-inch, the 10-inch. Ooh, 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 ooh. I don't know what that was. I don't know what that was. 10-inch, here we come. Length, baby. No, I'm just kidding. Definitely not length. But this is the 10-inch. That's a way bigger. Y'all can see that that's way bigger and way shorter. Stop. Okay, and so we have the 14-inch. You see the size difference? It's like way bigger. You feel me? And then we have the 12-inch. And it's still bigger. And then I'm gonna put them all side by side so you can see them. 10-inch, 12-inch, 14-inch. So yeah, that's all the hair that we have today. You guys will be seeing in another video how that hairstyle works out for me. I'm going to Miami, so you know what, I got really good. And before I see in the comments, coronavirus, shut up. Ain't nobody asked you. Ain't nobody asked you. You don't know where I'm going. You don't know where I'm going, so shut up. Be quiet. Anyway, thank you guys, my angel babies, for watching me again and again and bearing with me, even though your girl has had a rough road and she has not been consistent as much of the times that she has told you guys. Why am I talking in 3rd person? As much of the times that I have told you guys that I'm gonna be consistent, and I keep on falling off the boat. But honestly, this time I was really trying to be consistent. Only 2 weeks passed, but 2 weeks too many, right? I think only 1 week passed, or 2 weeks, I don't remember. But anyway, 2 weeks, 1 week, still too much. I've just been really extremely busy with a lot of stuff, and I'm trying to get that business off the ground so bad, and I hope you guys will support me in that once I do that too. Okay, because I see you female, well actually no, I think my male rating is higher than females. I don't know. But I mean, if y'all want to buy some stuff for your girlfriends, then keep watching. keep watching. Y'all, I'm so sorry for these pimples. Like, they just... A moment of silence for my face because it died. So sad. But it's okay, because I'm getting my face products, and once I try it, I'm gonna do an unboxing on those. Once I try it, I'm gonna show y'all too, because I want y'all face to be on point after I figure out how to get mine on point. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, share it for me too, as well to your friends and family. And you know, do what to do. And without further ado, all the comments will be ignored, so don't waste your time. Peace.
Wine to the bass now. Keep whining your waist now. Bend over, practice for the work. Gal brace, position, gymnast. Love the way you whine and jiggle it. Bend over, practice for the work. Gal brace, position, gymnast. In front the mirror, gal take a flick.